guys, it's me, Paige Paxton with Blake Fulenwider Dodge in Eastland, Texas, 9610 Interstate 20, with a how-to video on this 23 Jeep Rubicon of how to roll your windows down. I know that seems silly, but it's not in its normal place. So here we go. This is the door handle to the 23 Jeep Rubicon, and you see there's no place to roll down your windows. So you look, where is it? Well, if you look just south of your display, there are your windows. So you push them right here, and then come up with it. It'll roll it right back up. If you have any questions, give me a call at 325-320-4690. Thanks. Bye-bye.